What if I told you that the most advanced nuclear submarines on Earth, vessels that can hide underwater for months without detection, just became sitting ducks because of a breakthrough in quantum physics? I'm talking about sensors so sensitive they can detect a submarine's magnetic signature from over 50 kilometers away, even when it's running completely silent. For over a century, submarines have been the ultimate stealth weapons. They've sunk battleships, changed the course of world wars, and given smaller nations the power to threaten superpowers. The entire concept of submarine warfare is built on one fundamental principle. If they can't find you, they can't kill you. But that principle just died. China has developed quantum magnetometers that can detect submarines with precision that makes sonar look like a Stone Age technology. And here's the terrifying part. They're not the only ones. Today, I'm exposing the quantum revolution that's about to make every submarine on Earth visible, and why this changes everything about naval warfare. The invisible hunters. Let me tell you the story of submarine stealth, because understanding how we got here reveals why this quantum breakthrough is so devastating. Picture this. It's 1914, and the German U-boat U-9 sinks 3 British cruisers in less than an hour. The Royal Navy had no idea the submarine was even there until their ships started exploding. That moment changed naval warfare forever. Suddenly, the most powerful surface fleets in the world were vulnerable to invisible predators lurking beneath the waves. It was like discovering that your castle walls were useless because the enemy could tunnel underneath them. Fast forward to today, and modern nuclear submarines have perfected the art of invisibility. The USS Virginia-class submarines are so quiet that they're literally quieter than the background noise of the ocean itself. They use anechoic coatings, specialized rubber tiles that absorb sonar waves instead of reflecting them back. It's like wrapping a submarine in acoustic camouflage. But here's what submarine commanders have always known. Perfect stealth is impossible. Every submarine leaves traces. Thermal signatures, magnetic anomalies, tiny changes in water pressure. The question has always been whether detection technology could become sensitive enough to find these invisible fingerprints. And that's exactly what quantum physics just made possible. What if this possible? The quantum revolution. Now, let me explain the science that's about to revolutionize submarine detection, because this isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a complete paradigm shift. Traditional magnetic sensors can detect submarines, but only at very close range and only if the submarine is relatively shallow. They're like trying to find a needle in a haystack while wearing blindfolds. But quantum magnetometers work on a completely different principle. They use atoms, specifically rubidium atoms, that are so sensitive to magnetic fields that they can detect changes measured in picoteslas. To put that in perspective, that's like detecting a magnetic field change, equivalent to a single electron spinning differently. Here's where it gets incredible. China's quantum magnetometers can detect a submarine's magnetic signature from over 50 kilometers away, even when the submarine is running completely silent at depths of several hundred meters. It's like having X-ray vision that can see through the entire ocean. But the Chinese aren't just building these sensors, they're deploying them. Intelligence reports suggest they're installing quantum magnetometer networks across the South China Sea, creating an underwater detection grid that could track every submarine that enters the region. And here's what should terrify every submarine commander. These sensors are getting smaller, cheaper, and more sensitive every year. The detection revolution. Here's where our story takes a turn that reads like a military thriller. While China was perfecting quantum magnetometers, other nations weren't sitting idle. The AUKUS alliance, America, Britain, and Australia, has been developing their own quantum sensor networks. And what they've achieved is even more advanced. We're talking about quantum sensors that can be deployed from aircraft, dropped from satellites, or even carried by underwater drones. Imagine swarms of quantum-enabled sensors that can blanket entire ocean regions, creating a detection net so fine that no submarine can slip through undetected. But here's the most terrifying development. These sensors can work together, using artificial intelligence to create a real-time picture of underwater activity. It's like having 1,000 pairs of quantum eyes all connected to one incredibly fast brain that can track multiple submarines simultaneously. The US Navy's Project Cabot is developing what they call persistent undersea surveillance, networks of quantum sensors that can monitor choke points like the Strait of Hormuz or the GIUK Gap for months without human intervention. When a submarine passes through, the AI instantly identifies its class, nationality, and probable mission. And here's the classified part that defense contractors don't want you to know. Some of these quantum sensors are so sensitive that they can detect submarines by the tiny changes they make in Earth's magnetic field as they move through the water. It's like tracking a ghost by the shadows it casts. But the implications go far beyond just finding submarines. The strategic earthquake. Here's where this quantum revolution becomes a strategic earthquake that reshapes global naval power. For decades, nuclear submarines have been the ultimate deterrent weapon. They could hide anywhere in the world's oceans, carrying enough firepower to destroy entire nations, and no enemy could find them to stop them. But if submarines become detectable, the entire concept of nuclear deterrence changes. Suddenly, those invisible second strike capabilities that have kept the peace for 70 years become vulnerable first strike targets. It's like discovering that your secret bunker has been visible to your enemies all along. The strategic implications are staggering. Countries that have built their entire naval strategy around submarine stealth, like Russia with their Borai-class ballistic missile submarines, suddenly find their most powerful weapons exposed. China's growing submarine fleet, which they've been using to challenge American naval dominance in the Pacific, becomes trackable and targetable. But here's the twist that nobody saw coming. The same quantum technology that threatens submarines is also being used to protect them. Advanced quantum sensors can detect incoming torpedoes, underwater mines, and even other submarines trying to hunt them. It's an arms race between quantum detection and quantum protection. And the timeline for this revolution is accelerating faster than anyone expected. Intelligence reports suggest that operational quantum sensor networks could be deployed as early as 2025, which means the age of submarine invisibility might end within the next few years. The Countermeasures War. But here's where submarine engineers are fighting back with innovations that sound like science fiction. If quantum sensors can detect magnetic signatures, then submarines need to become magnetically invisible. We're talking about degaussing systems so advanced that they can neutralize a submarine's magnetic field in real time. The new Columbia-class submarines are being designed with quantum countermeasures built into their hull structure, metamaterials that can bend magnetic fields around the submarine, making it invisible to quantum sensors. It's like having a magnetic cloaking device straight out of Star Trek. But the most incredible development is something called quantum stealth, submarines that use their own quantum sensors to detect when they're being detected, then automatically adjust their magnetic signature to avoid discovery. It's like having a submarine that can sense when someone is looking for it and instantly become invisible. The Russians are taking a different approach entirely. Intelligence suggests they're developing submarines with hulls made from materials that are naturally quantum resistant. We're talking about alloys that don't interact with magnetic fields in predictable ways, making them nearly impossible for quantum sensors to track. And here's the arms race that's keeping naval engineers awake at night. As quantum sensors become more sensitive, submarines need to become more stealthy. But every stealth improvement makes the submarines more expensive, more complex, and potentially less reliable. We're looking at a future where submarine warfare becomes a battle between quantum detection and quantum stealth, fought with technologies that most people can't even comprehend. Conclusion. The quantum sensor revolution represents the end of an era in naval warfare. For over a century, submarines have been the ultimate stealth weapons, invisible predators that could strike without warning. But quantum physics has just turned on the lights in the deepest, darkest corners of the ocean. But here's the twist that nobody saw coming. The same quantum technology that's making submarines visible is now being used to create the ultimate underwater defense system. While everyone focused on finding submarines, military engineers were quietly developing something even more revolutionary. Speaking of underwater warfare revolutions, next week I'm exposing the secret weapons that can shoot down torpedoes mid-water, like underwater missile defense systems. We're talking about torpedo interceptors so advanced they can track, intercept, and destroy incoming torpedoes before they reach their targets, turning the hunter into the hunted in seconds. If you want to understand how underwater warfare is evolving from a game of hide and seek into high-speed underwater dogfights, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. The Torpedo Interceptor Exposé drops next Tuesday, and trust me, what I'm going to reveal about underwater missile defense will completely change how you think about submarine combat. Do you think quantum sensors will make submarines obsolete, or will stealth technology find a way to stay ahead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. because this quantum arms race is just getting started.